Hello all, this is Anne and welcome back to Texas Live Real Estate Food and Travel. Are you looking for great food, fresh, large portion, affordable with a show at your table, and an elegant decor? Don't forget amazing service. So don't forget, check out this restaurant located in Westchase, Houston. It's called Sayat Mediterranean Restaurants. So if you're ordering clay pot uzi meat, it's only $25, and it's a rice with lamb, and they cook it at your table. Everything in this restaurant is done fresh, and the seafood is great, the meat is great, the vegetables option, the hummus delicious. Love their bread. The smoothies are very affordable. It's $6. Another great restaurant in Houston, Texas. So don't forget to check it out. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.